What if the most powerful smartphone ever was also the thinnest? Sounds impossible, right? Well, Samsung just made it a reality. Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G, the world's thinnest foldable phone. The first thing that grabs attention is the jaw-dropping design. The Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G is just 4.2 millimeters thick when unfolded, making it not only the thinnest foldable, but possibly the thinnest smartphone in the world. Samsung has introduced a brand new titanium aluminum alloy frame. It's lighter, stronger, and more durable than ever. The flexible display uses the latest ultra-thin glass that bends with ease, but holds firm like traditional screens. Even the hinge has been redesigned. It's nearly invisible when unfolded and built to last over 600,000 folds. That's more than 16 years of folding 100 times a day. This isn't just innovation. This is engineering magic. Inside, you get a stunning 7.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X main display with a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The colors are richer, the blacks are deeper, and the brightness is insane. Perfect for watching, gaming, and even editing on the go. On the outside, the 6.4-inch AMOLED cover display has been improved too. It's wider and more usable than previous models, making it feel like a normal phone when closed. Both screens are protected with Gorilla Glass armor, giving you scratch resistance and peace of mind. This phone isn't just about looks, it's a powerhouse. The Z Fold 7 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, backed by 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Whether you're gaming at high settings, running AI tools, or multitasking with 4 apps open at once, this device doesn't flinch. It's smooth, responsive, and built for serious performance. And thanks to One UI 7.0, the foldable experience is better than ever. Drag and drop between apps, use app pairs, or split the screen. It feels like using a mini computer. Samsung didn't hold back with the cameras either. The rear module includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto with 10 times optical zoom, and a new macro AI camera for ultra-close shots. Night photography is next level thanks to Samsung's AI processing. You get ultra-clear, vivid images even in near-total darkness. Video recording? 8K at 30 frames per second, with pro-grade stabilization and cinematic filters. And don't worry, the 20-megapixel under-display selfie camera is still here, now sharper and more discreet than ever. You might think such a thin phone means a small battery. Think again. The 4,900 mAh dual-cell battery keeps the Fold 7 Ultra running strong all day, thanks to smart power optimization powered by AI. Charging is super fast. 65-watt wired charging takes you from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. You also get 25-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, perfect for powering up your Galaxy Buds or smartwatch on the go. The Z Fold 7 Ultra introduces AI Dynamic Mode, which adjusts screen refresh rates, app layout, and battery settings automatically based on how you're holding or using the phone. The S Pen Fold Edition is back and better. It's slimmer, more responsive, and now magnetically attaches to the back. Great for creatives, editors, and note-takers alike. Security is top-notch with an under-display fingerprint scanner and full integration with Samsung Knox, keeping your data locked down and private. So what's the price of this cutting-edge tech? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G starts at $1,799. Pricey? Yes. But considering the level of innovation packed inside, it's worth every cent. Samsung is also offering trade-in deals and bonuses on pre-orders. You can grab it in 3 amazing finishes: Cosmic Titanium, Phantom Silver, and the fan-favorite Midnight Blue. In short, this is more than just a smartphone. It's a foldable flagship, a tablet, a productivity tool, a camera rig, all in one incredibly thin device. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra 5G? Is this the future of smartphones or just a luxury toy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech drops.